Alright, sports fans, we are out here today and we are going to rerun Radical Firearms 55 grain bullet test. And this time I've put the scope on it. It took 3 shots to zero it, so quick detach working pretty good. But what we're going to do, we're going to cut at this point, and I'll show you the ammo layout. We had to change one. I couldn't get X-Tac, so we're using a different ammo in this test. If you're enjoying these ammunition and accuracy testing videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and if you can, become a member. Thank you. Here's our ammo lineup. Almost the same as the last time. Ingman 55, Old Army, Frontier, all of these are 55 grain. Triple G, the Czech 223, but we couldn't get X-Tac, so we're going to use men's 55 grain bullet, Fiocchi, and PPU 55 grain. Okay, so that's the ammo. Let's get started. It's freezing cold out here, and hopefully it's going to do a little bit better this time around. First up, Ingman. Had a 20 rounder go bad on me. More about that later. One of these. Next up, Old Army. Hornady Frontier. Okay. Now these things are all shooting to the left, but that doesn't matter. We're just going to see what's accurate in the gun. Triple G out of Lithuania. This is the ammunition out of Czechoslovakia. Alright, let that cool off a minute. I'm not going to fool with the scope. It's somewhat off. Everything's going to the left. The sight-in was right on, but doesn't matter. We're going to see how they group. Okay. Yoshi. And last but least, PPU. Okay, when we get home, we'll review the target. The results of our retesting of the Radical Firearms with 55 grain bullets. Now the difference is the last one was a disaster and we didn't get hardly any usable data, but this time I put that NC Star scope on there, and as you can see the results are very different. Okay, I believe the optic sight or what type of sight you use helps. This one, the sight failed and was a total disaster when I was out there. Alright, so Ingman, we got 1 inch and 1/8. This Old Army, we got 1 inch and 3/4. The Frontier, which is, you know, supposed to work good, at least in that one guy's rifle, we got 2 inches. Triple G, we got 1.5 inches with it. The stuff from Czechoslovakia, 2 1/8 inches. And then this is new, we had to substitute this men's because the local shop run out of X-Tac, the PCM stuff. 2 1/8. Fiyoshi, 2 inches. And PPU is what we sighted in with because that's what I got the most of, and it was close. That's why all these shots are to the left. I didn't really fine tune it, but they are all on center. The PPU 55 is 2 inches. So in this round of testing with the better sight in that, it is the Ingman that did the best in the 55 grain. Now I did run, and this rifle has a 1 7 twist, and on average you're getting about a 2-inch group. I did test it with 62 and a couple heavier ones, and we'll go over that in another video.